Hey guys, I'm Sayan Gupta. I'm 10 years old and I'm the founder of 10xforthekids.com. Please subscribe to my channel, and if you like this video, don't forget to smash that like button and share this video with others. So without any delay, let's get started. Okay, so first I will go to Google Chrome. It is a web browser in which I use mostly, but you can use any web browser you like. Then I am going to REPL.it. This is the code editor that I use, but you can use any code editor you like. I will create this project using HTML, CSS and JS, and then I will keep its name calculator YouTube. Okay, so I will create the REPL. After creating the REPL, I will first write the HTML. So we are using HTML for this tutorial because we want 3 input fields. An input field that will take one operand, then an operator, and then one more operand. Okay, so first I will write the HTML. So I am gonna make input ID. It is completely fine that if you don't know HTML, you can still build this. I will explain every single thing. Okay, so operand 1. So we are making an input field. This will bring the input field on our screen, and we are giving its ID or giving it an ID of operand 1. Then we are setting the placeholder of it. So I will tell you what is this. Okay, so I will set the placeholder operand. Okay, so let's just run this. So look, we have an input field over here. So let's see what is this doing. This input tag is making this input field, this thing. This ID tag gives this a ID. We will use this ID further in our program. Like in script.js, we will use it to find the value what is inside the input field. And this placeholder, can you see this thing? Operand is written over here. Placeholder does this. So placeholder is setting it. Okay. Then I will copy paste this. Command C, Command V. Okay. And I will set it to operator. So now we want an operator. Okay. And then I will do it. The placeholder will be operator. So let's run this. So we have one more input field. Now I will again I will just paste it over there. So I want operand 2 now. So I just have to change the ID. Operand 2. So we have one more input field. And then now I will make a button that will submit the values. Okay, so I'm gonna make a button on click. So this on click property does that when you click the button, then what will it do? So it will call the calculator method. That we will further build. We will build in script.js that calculator method. So HTML will automatically bring it itself because we are importing the script over here. Okay, so calculator submit. So this submit, why are we putting this submit over here? I'm just gonna tell you. Button, we are closing the button like this. Okay, so why did we put this submit over here? So the name inside the button we put over here. The name will be submit. Okay. So now we are making a div. Okay. I will tell you what it is. Div, we are setting it, giving it ID result. Okay. And now we are closing the div. So I will tell you what this is doing. This div is doing, like we are running. I will just show you something to you to test. So, okay. So you see this, like this. We will when press submit. We will show the text in a div, so that it, if it is document.write, then everything would have been disappeared. But in a div, it makes an element on the screen. So like we will using inner HTML, you will see further in a tutorial that using inner HTML we can change the div's value. Okay. So for now I'm keeping it empty div because we don't want to see anything. Now our main logic is in the script.js. There will be a single function named, calculator. Okay, so we are making a method named calculator, and this calculator method will be called on click of that submit button. Okay, so I'm making a variable operand 1 is equals to number. I will tell you what this is in just a minute. Let's write it. Number document dot get element by ID operand 1 dot value. So let's see what this statement is doing. So let's make this smaller. Okay, so like we are making a variable operand 1. This number method converts this value into a number. So this number method will convert this value into a number, this value. So what is this value? Document.get element by ID operand 1. So operand 1, so the first input has the ID of operand 1. So document.get element by ID. So we are bringing the element by its ID. Operand 1 dot value. We are bringing its value, not the operand. Like we are not bringing the input field. We are bringing its value. Okay. So now we will make a variable operator is equals to document dot get element by ID operator dot value. So you must be raising the question, why aren't we putting this thing also into the number method? We are not putting it into the number method because the operator, it should not be a number. We don't want the operator to be a number. Yeah? So operators are like plus, minus and these all. Okay? Now we are making operand 2. I will just copy paste this. Command V. Okay? So operand 2, it is the same as operand 1. So 2. Okay, so we have done this. Now here we are gonna do switch. So I'm just gonna tell you what is this operator. Switch is a type of loop in which like you give it cases. Like switch you have given operator, switch operator. So like you give case first, like plus. So if the operator is plus, then we will do text. I am making a new var text is equals to operand 1 plus operand 2 plus equals to plus operand 1 plus operand 2. So let's see this practically. What is it doing? Okay, let's see this. And then sorry, I just forgot. We have to put break, as it is the last statement right now, so we don't need it, but when we will add more cases, then we will need it. So let's see this practically. Like you add the operand 15, you add this plus and 2. Oh, sorry. I just had to do one thing more that I forgot. So like down here we have to do document dot get element by id result. Now we are bringing in that div. Okay, so result dot inner html. So I told you that we will use inner html. Okay, so inner html is equals to text. So let's see what is this doing. Here 15 plus 2. So 15 plus 2 is equals to 17. So now let me explain. So this switch statement, we are passing it operator. So it will check what operator is it. So in case plus, if the operator is plus, then I am making a new variable named text. So then we will do operand 1. So this is the operand 1 plus. So here we are adding a plus sign plus operand 2. So this is the operand 2 plus equals to. So here we are adding a equals to sign plus operand 1 plus operand 2. So we will add these both 15 and 2, and then here is the result. And then document.get element by id result was this over here, and then dot inner html. It's inner html, its text would be text. Okay, so now like this we have to check for many things. So here I will put case minus sorry, my internet connection is a bit poor, sorry for that. So I will just copy paste this, command C, command V. Okay, and then I will just change the operator over here and the operator over here. So I can't test for every that, because like the video will then extend for about 1 hour, so I don't want that. So then I will do case x case x. So and case. So I will tell you what is this doing. Case into. So this is doing that if the user puts x here, over here, or this multiplication sign over here, then it will do the same thing. Okay, so these both will do the same thing. So I will just copy paste these, command C, command V. So this will just let's do it x for now. So the computer does not recognize x in multiplication, so we have to put this over here. Okay, now we have to do case divide. Case, so nobody will just copy paste the divide symbol, so I have done it normally like this. Okay, command V, divided by this is equals to divide. Okay, so we have done this for divide now, and now we are gonna do case. This is power. This is power symbol. So to the power. Okay, so this is the power symbol. So let's see what is power. Okay, well, in JavaScript. Okay, oh, this is showing something else. Sorry, let's check something else. So power symbol, power symbol. Okay, so the power method, so returns the value of number 4 to the power of 3. So like 4 into 4 into 4. So like double this. So if you put 4 double this, so like if you put 4 double multiplication power 3, then it will do 4 into 4 into 4. So it's doing it 3 times. So this was what I wanted to explain. And then command V, open to the power and to the power. Okay, and now I'm putting a case remainder. Yeah, so case remainder, if somebody puts remainder, man, so command V, so here I will put the remainder symbol, and then I will here put the remainder symbol. Okay, after remainder I will put a default one. So I will tell you what default is. Text is equals to sorry, we could not calculate your equation. Okay, so this is default if it's not able to calculate. Okay, so now we have checked this for this operator thing, but what about the operand? if somebody gives wrong operand, then what we have to do? Okay, so I also have if is nan. Oh, sorry, nan. Isnan is a method, predefined method that checks if it is not a number, operand 1, or isnan operand 2. Operand 2. So text is equals to sorry, we could not calculate your equation. Okay, so sorry, we could not calculate your equation. So this is it. Let's test this. I give it 20. If I give a wrong thing, blah blah blah. So no, let's give this 15. So sorry, we could not calculate your equation. So like if we give this blah blah blah, so same, sorry, we could not calculate your equation. If we give it a correct equation, so like 4, 3. So let's do it 2 for calculator and this exponential. So 4 this 16. So 4 into 4 is 16. Yes. So now we have made a fully functional calculator. If you have seen my previous videos, I usually give activities. But this time I'm not giving that input field activity because I have put it myself. This time I'm giving you an activity to style these. Like you could style these. The submit button could be round, beautiful type, background color could be changed and all. Okay, and the input field could have like its corners could be have been solid. Okay, the text inside the input field could have been bigger. Okay, so this is the activity styling. Okay, and I would be waiting for your answer. This time I'm not giving the answer. This time I'm waiting for your answers to see what you are doing. Okay, what you can do. Okay, so thank you guys. I hope you enjoyed my video. If you did, please don't forget to smash that like button. It would motivate me a lot. And if you have not subscribed to my channel, please subscribe it right now. Thank you guys.